Hello guys, traders, welcome back. This is the stock for next week, that is from August 9 to August 13. Okay, so we have traded 2 to 6 one stock, that is Apollo Pipe. The update is in the channel. You can see that we got 155 points roughly profits, and now second time for this week we have another stock which is Voltas. So it will be from 9 to 13. So I'm typically going to hold this for this week only, but if you are greedy enough you can hold it for more. I will give you the reasons why you should hold it for more. So let's see about the levels. So here price is closed about 1046. Okay, this is the immediate resistance that we can see around let's see, this is the level 1074 is the level. So since this is a 1000 plus rupees priced stock, I am going to give a 10 points buffer to the buy. So we will be buying it above 1085. So you have to understand that we will be buying the stock at 1085 with a stop loss of 1035. Okay, with the stop loss of 1035, and the immediate target is 150. Okay, so you have almost 1:2 risk to reward ratio in this weekly holding. So I gave you the level. We will buy it above 1085 only. Okay, you need to understand that price. We want price to break above this resistance and sustain it about 10 point above. Okay, and then our stop loss is 1035, strict stop loss we will keep there, and our target is 1150. So that's about 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and you can even hold it after August 13. I'll show you what is the reason. If you go on to the daily, we can see that price is making higher lows. Okay, that means price in an uptrend. And also we have a channel here. We broke the channel to the upside, couldn't sustain it. Price went into the channel again and break the channel here, retested, came to another new channel, and now from here I want price to break above this line, which is this resistance, and I want price to move above that resistance. Then we can surely see somewhere near 11200 in the recent time. Okay, so this is Voltas. Keep in mind all these levels and analysis. This is a double top, and the price has to break above this. And if you are a pattern lover, you can see that we have cup and the holder pattern is on the making. So I want price to break above from here. Okay, anyway, for buying the stock, these are the levels in daily. For buying the stock, I gave you the levels in 15-minute chart. that we saw here. We'll buy it from only about 1085. We want to see an uptrend trading in the lower time frame, and then we keep our stop loss below this candle 1035. If price comes down, we will exit. So this is the trade for next week. Okay, if you guys are interested, you can watch it. I'll be placing the trade.